What's going on, guys? Now, we weren't sure if we were gonna actually release this video, but when we mentioned it to some of you guys, you all said you really wanted to see it, so here we have it. You might notice a couple of things are different than they were when we actually shot the video. You might notice some things with the walls and whatnot. Anyway, things are different. But before we get to the actual tour, guys, I do just want to say thank you to all of you who have been supporting over the years. None of this would be possible without you guys viewing and supporting the channel and everything that we do. So huge shout out to you guys and a big thank you.
Thank you.
Here we have the tour. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, we've got an empty house tour. All right, guys, right now we are in the foyer, the entrance, and that chandelier is getting replaced. Ari hated that thing the second she saw it, but you'll see that upgrade in our updated smart home tour. That video is gonna be coming soon, so you gotta stay tuned for that. We're gonna put a bunch of tech in this place, but before we go ahead and tech it out and put a bunch of furniture in here, I wanted to show you guys what we're working with. To your right, we have our dining room, and to your left, we've got our living room. This is like the formal living room. This is the place where I guess fancy furniture goes and nobody sits in here. That's what I've been told anyway. When my living rooms back in the day, we sat in them, but I guess that's not gonna happen here. But this is where we have the formal living room. Lots of windows, lots of sunlight comes in here, so that's gonna be great. And I don't even remember what this room used to look like, but I know I probably hated it. But moving on, this room right here, this is very similar to that one, but this is going to be our study. So in here, we're gonna have some custom built-ins. Books are gonna be everywhere. We're probably gonna throw a desk somewhere, maybe like in this corner or maybe that one. I don't know. Ari's gonna figure it out. And we've got I got some special thoughts in terms of the tech that I wanna put in here, but we'll see how it all pans out. Now, I know Ari would absolutely kill me if I didn't show you the only bathroom on this floor. This is the powder room. And check this thing out. Here, Ari completely designed this on her own. This was a plain bathroom, and these are actually gonna get switched out because they don't really match the vibe in here, the decor. We're going for a much nicer, brighter toilet and a very, very nice sink. But she picked the wallpaper, these wall sconces. Is that it, Ari?
Yeah, they're all sconces, so you can see better.
All right, but this is a dope bathroom. Ari killed it. And over here we have our family room. So this is the living room area that I'm used to. So this is a 2-story family room, lots of space. We're gonna have a nice TV up there, I hope. I don't know what Ari's gonna let me do with the tech in here, so we'll see what happens. But there's a lot of space here. We've got some actual paint samples from us trying to figure out what exactly we want here to look like. We're still not completely sure of the color yet. You guys let us know with a comment down below if you think this color works. What is this, silver chain?
Yes.
Look at that. I know paints, y'all. We actually have a quartzite fireplace over here. This is the same quartzite that you're gonna see in the kitchen area. We love this fireplace. The fireplace was actually one of the last things that we even thought about, and it turned out to be really, really nice. It came together very, very well. We fell in love with it. So I never had a fireplace before, y'all. Look at Cookie over here. What's up, mama? You showing off the house? She's like, what do you want from me? I'm trying to live my life. But over here, guys, we have the kitchen. And just so you guys know, there's still a ton of work that's being done in here. So nothing, well, a lot of things aren't final, but this is the kitchen. We have our countertops here made out of the same quartzite that you guys saw with the fireplace. This is a really, really nice stone. Ari did a really good job choosing. So this looks great. I'm scared to eat anything in here. Honestly, guys, listen, this whole house is all nice and pretty. I'm not gonna be in it. I'm just gonna hide out in the basement where it's my choice. I'm designing the basement. I know I can live my life down there, so everything up here is just scary. But it's nice looking, it's nice to look at. Over here, we've got our pantry. There's like a bunch of tools and doorknobs in here because we're still putting things together in the house. But yeah, this is where we're gonna have the snackage. This is gonna be my closet right here. And over here, this place wasn't really done over. This is the, I guess, what do you call this place, Ari?
Oh no. It's like
The
a mud room or
mudroom-ish?
kinda?
I don't know. Well, this is another area in the house. The garage is in here on this side. So right in this door is the garage. We got a little closet over here. And on this side, we have the laundry room. Now the laundry room looks a mess. Oh my God. And we still have like the old appliances in here. These are getting swapped out. These have got to go. And just so you guys can have a peek at what we were dealing with before we got here, look at this sink. The sink says it all. So this thing is getting out of here at some point. It has to go. But this is a laundry room. It's a complete mess. So aside from that, we've got our dining room. I am very excited about the dining room because it has a completely different vibe. In here, it's a bit darker, but this is where you have like the more serious conversations. You're gonna have dinner here. You know, this is gonna be a really nice room. I'm excited for it. This chandelier right here though, this thing has to go. It's just gotta go. We gotta get one that matches the chandelier out there, or at least looks just as good as it. And yeah, I'm excited for here. So back to the foyer. Now over here, in this little door right here, behind this door actually, we've got the basement. You know, that's where the man cave is happening, but we're not gonna get to that just yet. We'll show you guys upstairs. And just so you know, this whole thing has to get painted. The staircase isn't completely done yet. We did get it refinished and stained. So now we've got this nice little banister, the nice staircase. The floors are all redone in the entire house. It looks really, really good. So over here we have like the wrought irons for the staircase. It looks just so good. So now we're up on the second floor and you guys can see, we can look over down on the family room. So we can see all the aunts that'll be down there watching TV or hanging out. And we've got 4 bedrooms up here, right, Ari? Yeah, what am I saying? We got 4 bedrooms up here, 3 regular and our master. And let's take a look at the rooms that we have over here. Now, I will say though, guys, we did get a little bit of furniture in, so it's not a completely empty house tour, but it's somewhat empty. So over here, we have the first room with furniture in here. Let's see, can we turn on some light? Okay. So this is the first bedroom. It's, you know, one of the smaller rooms, but I like the new furniture that we got inside of here. This thing has, let's see, USB ports, 2 USB ports.
built-in.
So we've got built-in USB ports as well as a light, right?
Yeah.
Where do we?
Right there.
Yeah, we got that light at the bottom. That way you know exactly where you're going at night, even though there's like nothing else going on over here. And we've got a light over here too, right, Ari?
Yeah.
So right on the headboard, you got that nice little accent. You see that? Tech, baby. All right, so, and this one's got a closet too. It's a pretty decent sized closet. Dang, we still got blinds in here. Yeah, all right. Oh, but this is actually a pretty decent sized closet. I didn't know it went in this deep. It's not bad. And this is our room where we probably let the in-laws stay, right? The in-law suite. It's not really a suite though. But this is where we're gonna have, this is a bit of a bigger room so we can accommodate more than one person at once. So the in-laws are like the best bet. But over here, oh, this is a nice big, yo, that goes to show you guys how much I know this house. This closet is big though. Oh snap. I'm sorry, I'm here getting hyped over my own closet. I apologize, I'm not trying to show off or anything. I'm just really genuinely surprised. I thought it was the same size as the other one. And between the 2 bedrooms, we've got a little linen closet and there's like a random assortment of things in here. We've got some pillows, some bath mats and towels, paint, but we have our bathroom over here. This is the family bath. This bathroom looks great, but we need some light. And the lights are really warm, so it's like super yellow in here. I won't turn them all on. But yeah, this is a really, really nice bathroom. Ari picked out this guy right here. This is the vanity that has like a marble top, tons and tons of drawers right there at the bottom. So if you need to store anything, you got places to do that. So this looks really great. Daddy picked out the tile that goes all over here. As you can tell, she has a bit of an obsession with marble. Not a bit, a big obsession. But yeah, she did all of these micro decisions, picking out the handles and all of that stuff. And I was just like, who cares? Just pick something. Look at Cookie. What you doing over there? Come upstairs. Come on. Yeah. Come make the trip. Hey. What's up? But if we come down the hallway area, I gotta show you guys the last bedroom before we get to the master. And this one, unfortunately, is not super empty. We did get a couple of pieces of furniture. So we have our bed frame, the dresser, and a night table, and a lamp. So it's not super empty, but you know, whatever. So in here, oh man, this is a really good looking bathroom. Ari did a good job. Now, one thing you might notice is that there aren't any curtains or anything like that. We're actually going to get glass to like glass shower doors. So we're gonna add that. That still hasn't come in yet, but we'll get to that at some point. They got these nice little nooks over here so that you can, you know, put like a bottle of shampoo, soap over here. We even got some shelves. Nice attention to detail, Ari. You did a good job.
I got so many props on this video.
Yeah, you get props because you picked everything. I didn't pick anything. But yeah, she did great. This looks like a nice vanity with the mirror and the little lights up there. It all looks good. Yada, yada. Props to Ari. Let's get to the master bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is where, you know, we really fell in love with the house. This is really what sold us. It's a pretty big bedroom, so I was very excited to see that. Over here we've got like a walk-in closet, but it is a complete mess. Listen, we don't live here yet. You can't judge us. We're not dirty. This is just stuff from being collected from all of the work that's being done here. It's just bad. This is something I think Ari should be really proud of. So over here, we've got the master bath. Now, this is one of the things that's so interesting because right here, there's an actual cutout between the master bath and the master bedroom. So you can pretty much just see right in. Everybody who sees it pretty much turns their heads and like, what are you guys doing? Cover it up. But we're like, nah, we like it, it's cool, we married. But yeah, I'll turn on some lights and you can see, this is just a solid job. Ari did really, really well, and you can see how much she loves marble. We got marble countertops, we've got marble floors, we've got marble around the tub. There's just no end to the marble. And of course, here also has heated floors, so that's nice. So we're gonna be able to have nice toasty feet in the winter. And here we have a masterpiece of a shower. This is gonna be awesome. So it's a his and her shower. Is that how I say it? A his and her?
I like it.
Okay, a his and her shower. But here we're gonna have the glass doors as well. So yeah, I love this place. This is a really, really nice bathroom. Ari did a good job. This is going to be her side. She's got all of this counter space right here. And this is going to be my side with considerably less counter space. But listen, as long as I have a toothbrush and some toothpaste and water, I'm good to go. And over here we have a toilet. This is absolutely going to be upgraded for a smart toilet of some sort. I just gotta figure out where I can get one. But now I can take you guys to the room where I am going to be myself, the most excited, the most me, the basement. What?
You made it sound so glorious when you said the basement.
Well, that's where I could live. That's where I could keep my shoes on without being judged. I was trying to make this a no-shoe house. Ugh. Oh, but over here is where we have the chandelier. You can see it from right here. I think this is gonna be really nice when we put in the new one. All right, prepare yourselves for the best ultimate man cave. Well, it's pretty much just a dungeon right now because there's nothing in there. But this is where we have the basement, AKA the UAC room. And all right, guys, here we have it. so much echo in here because it's so empty. But this is the man cave. This is where it's gonna go down. This is where we're gonna get the actual tech. It's gonna be teched out down here, guys. Lots and lots of stuff is gonna go on over here. But what I've done in here, this is where I chose things. I picked the floors. So these are like waterproof vinyl floors. I like the gray color. I also went with a gray paint on the walls. What is this one called? Stonington, I think? Whatever. That's the gray that's on the walls, Stonington, I think it is. And I've got some really, really big plans for this. I think I might actually make this like my home theater. And over here, guys, this is where it's gonna be a bit more man cave-ish. On the other side, we're gonna have like that home theater, but here is where we're gonna have like the television, we're gonna have consoles, we're gonna have like a desk setup, all that good stuff is all gonna be happening down here. I'm gonna have like the TV here. You see my router, I already got the routers in here. I have to have the routers since, you know, we visit here, so we gotta have decent Wi-Fi. We're gonna go for a more chill, modern vibe down here. It's not gonna be as in your face and crazy. This is gonna be like just a cool, sophisticated world of tech. That's what I'm gonna be going for down here. And I'm very, very excited. I can't wait. There's like a lot of space to play with down here. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know with a comment down below. It's gonna be crazy, y'all. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour. There's gonna be a lot of tech in here, or at least I'm going to try to put as much tech as I possibly can. So you guys are gonna wanna see the videos that are gonna be coming from this house and all the tech that's implemented in all of these different rooms. But if you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Now get out my house.